Hello, I am Dr. Steven. If you are over 65 and drink coffee every morning, but you have noticed that your muscles feel weaker, this message is for you. Maybe you are walking more slowly than before. Maybe climbing stairs feels harder. Or perhaps your legs do not feel as strong as they used to. Many people think this is just a normal part of aging, but there is something more going on. This condition is called sarcopenia. It means muscle loss that happens as we get older. Sarcopenia can affect your strength, your balance, your energy, and even your blood sugar levels. It also increases the risk of falling. Muscle is not just for lifting things or moving around. Muscle helps you stay healthy and live longer. So how do we stop this muscle loss? The good news is, there is a simple and science-backed way to help your body rebuild muscle. And it starts with your morning coffee. After the age of 60, our bodies have a harder time building muscle from food. Even if you eat enough protein, your muscles may not respond the same way they used to. This happens because of something called anabolic resistance. It means your muscles do not react as strongly to the signals from food or exercise. So your body starts breaking down muscle faster than it can rebuild it. But there is one powerful nutrient that can help. It is called leucine. Leucine is an amino acid that tells your body to build muscle. It works by turning on something called the mTOR pathway, which is like a switch that starts muscle growth. In 2020, a study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that leucine can increase muscle protein building by 16 to 30% in older adults. And the best part? It works even if you do not exercise. But you need the right amount, at least 2.5 to 3 grams in one serving. Most seniors do not get that much from breakfast alone. So here is what you can do. Add 3 grams of pure leucine powder to your black coffee every morning. That is it. Coffee helps your body absorb nutrients better, and leucine works best on an empty stomach. In 2022, a study published in Frontiers in Physiology found that taking leucine in the morning, before eating, helps turn on the muscle-building switch faster. The powder has no taste. It mixes easily in hot coffee, and it does not break your fast if you are not eating breakfast yet. Here is your simple morning routine. When you wake up, drink a glass of water. Then brew your black coffee with no sugar and no cream. Stir in 3 grams of leucine powder. Then drink your coffee within 1 hour of waking up. If you feel up to it, do 5 minutes of light movement, like walking or gentle squats. That helps your body use the leucine even better. This small habit can protect your muscles, support your balance, and help your body manage blood sugar. Try it for 1 week. You may feel stronger legs, better energy, and more confidence when you move. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more science-based tips to stay strong and healthy as you age. See you next time.